Creating your own customized Kahoot quiz. If you haven't already done so, you need to sign up. With Kahoot.com, the sign up is free. I'm going to take you through as if you're a teacher, and you can sign in with one of these options. I'm going to sign in with an email. You need to state which university or school you're with, your username, your email, confirm your email, and then create a password. Once you're signed in, you're taken to the home page. You can create a new Kahoot from the top ribbon. Here you have some options. Most people choose the quiz. And it's from here you start your customization. So a title that will give some idea of what your quiz is about, a description about your quiz, who is it visible to? You can say to everyone who has the URL. Your audience will be, you would probably choose your school. And you can include an image if you want to. It's not necessarily not necessary to have an image. So I'm going to go through and put in the basics, and then I'll show you how to set up the questions. Once you've completed each section, you just need to click on OK, Go. Then you simply add each question one by one. Once you've come up with your question, decide what the time limit is for that question. By default, it's set on 20 seconds. I've changed mine to 10. And then there's alternative or a list of answers available for the students. So I've filled in the 4 possible answers, and then you click on the tick next to the correct answer, and then push next. Then you add another question. My advice is don't do more than 10 questions. Just try and keep them nice and short, and the students' attention will be kept, and it's a lot more enjoyable if it's just a short quiz. So I'll go through and do the 10 questions, and then I'll show you how you can share this with your students. Once you've finished your 10th question, press Next. Go through and check all 10 questions, checking your time limit as well. Then save. Then we can click on Share It, and this is the URL. You could actually copy this into a shorter, go to short URL. And this is more user-friendly, so you can share this in your Moodle or anywhere else where students can access your customized Kahoot quiz. Thank you for watching.